Basically, the Supreme Court what commented that instead of challenging the whole act, there are the 3-4 provisions which are being stayed, though they are being extremely important, and to somehow it is a bit of disappointment. But anyway, these are not the final orders. The Honorable Apex Court, they have stayed the main provisions 2R, 3C. So basically, the stay is on that the government cannot create any third party interest. They have until or unless the title is being cleared on the Waqf property. So earlier the collector had the right to just take the property, the alleged Waqf property in its possession, and then the government revenue records, they need to verify. And then accordingly, because the possession was earlier been taken by the government. So now the Honorable Apex Court had clearly put a stay on it, and they have clearly mentioned that until or unless the title is not made clear, it will be stayed. Then another important point is that the 5-year clause, the Amendment Act, yes, the Amendment Act clearly said just to put a check on the conversions and then the forced transfer of the properties to the Waqf. So they have directed the states to frame a policy that the states, after framing the policy, they will first check whether the individual has genuinely been converted to Islam and has been practicing Islam for 5 years. So once it's been confirmed, then only they'll be able to create the Waqf. So that has been completely been stayed, you see. So the specific comment is that earlier clearly the title is to be established first. So the power of the collectors, the court has put a clear stay on it. Earlier the collector had a clear right that they can just take the possession of the property, whatever the dispute it is. So that is a clear stay on it, and until or unless till the High Court the title is being cleared, no third party interest will be created. So the composition of they had put a restriction on maximum 4 non-Muslim members. So, and for the state it is 3, and the CEO can be a non-Muslim. So there is and there is a stay that they cannot increase that.
भारतर एकमात्र परीक्षित बायोसार पृथ्वी प्रो माटी को रखे सुस्थ दिए नुआ जीवन धान पनीपरिबा और डाली जातीय फसल लाभदायक अमल बढ़ाए रोग कमाए आज ही जमीरे प्रयोग करंतु जोगाजोग 9937054201 नंबर को डायल करंतु। आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमको लाइक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु। अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in।